How can food compounds influence breast cancer pathways? Imagine the foods you eat every day could play a role in how your body fights or supports breast cancer development. Scientific research shows that certain food compounds can influence breast cancer pathways through various molecular mechanisms. These effects are mainly caused by bioactive nutrients and phytochemicals found in fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. They interact with cellular signaling, gene expression, hormone metabolism, inflammation, oxidative stress, and immune function, all of which are important in breast cancer risk and progression. One key way food compounds influence breast cancer is through hormone signaling. Many breast cancers, especially those that are hormone receptor positive, depend on estrogen to grow. Some foods contain phytoestrogens, which are plant-derived compounds that can weakly bind to estrogen receptors. For example, soy contains isoflavones, flax seeds have lignans, and certain vegetables also contain these compounds. When phytoestrogens bind to estrogen receptors, they can block stronger natural estrogens from activating them. This can reduce cell proliferation and encourage cell death in hormone-sensitive breast tissue, potentially lowering the risk or slowing the progression of cancer. On the other hand, diets high in animal fats and low in fiber may increase circulating estrogen levels by affecting liver metabolism and gut recycling, which could raise risk. Antioxidants are another important factor. Oxidative stress caused by reactive oxygen species can damage DNA, leading to mutations that promote cancer. Foods rich in antioxidants like berries, leafy greens, citrus fruits, and compounds such as vitamin C, vitamin E, polyphenols, and carotenoids help neutralize reactive oxygen species. They activate cellular defense pathways like NRF2, which boosts the body's ability to repair damage and maintain DNA integrity. This process can help prevent mutations that might lead to breast cancer. Inflammation and the growth of new blood vessels, called angiogenesis, are also involved in cancer development. Chronic inflammation can support tumor growth and spread. Certain plant compounds can inhibit enzymes like cyclooxygenases and inducible nitric oxide synthase, which produce mediators that promote inflammation and angiogenesis. By reducing these processes, dietary phytochemicals may slow down tumor growth and prevent metastasis, especially in aggressive breast cancer types like triple-negative breast cancer. Gene regulation is another pathway influenced by food compounds. Phytochemicals can affect gene expression by modulating microRNAs and other non-coding RNAs that control cancer-related pathways. For example, epigallocatechin gallate from green tea has been shown to influence long non-coding RNAs involved in cancer processes. These epigenetic effects can enhance the effectiveness of conventional treatments or help suppress tumor growth. It is also important to consider how food compounds might interact with breast cancer treatments. Some environmental estrogen-like chemicals found in certain foods, known as xenoestrogens, could mimic estrogen and potentially interfere with hormone-blocking therapies. This suggests that patients on treatments like aromatase inhibitors or selective estrogen receptor modulators should be mindful of their intake of foods containing xenoestrogens. In summary, the compounds in our food can influence breast cancer pathways by modulating hormone signals, reducing oxidative stress, decreasing inflammation, inhibiting blood vessel formation, and regulating gene expression. Incorporating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and plant-based bioactive compounds, while limiting high-fat animal products and exposure to xenoestrogens, aligns with current strategies for reducing breast cancer risk. However, it is always best to consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice, especially if you are undergoing treatment or have specific health concerns. Remember, a balanced diet combined with regular screening and healthy lifestyle habits can make a meaningful difference in breast health.